Hey guys, it's Jacob. I'm back, and today I'm going to be talking about time management. So, throughout your school years, you've probably noticed that as you get older, it transitions more from due the next day to here are 5 assignments, they're all due Friday. Now, if you procrastinate, you have a large buildup the day before everything is due, and that can really increase your stress level. So, it's very important that you understand how to budget your time efficiently because this will give you more time to do things that you enjoy, such as extracurricular activities, give you more time with your family, pets, more relaxation time, and just more free time in general. It'll just simplify your life. All right, and this is going to be part one of a 3-strand long video. So, okay. All right, so the important thing to remember is going to be that you only have a certain amount of hours to do things. And if you're doing an after-school activity, it's important to get the hard things out of the way first. So, things first. Now, the other strategy that you can use is doing little things first. Alright, so in this video, we're going to compare and contrast them. Alright, so if you do, and I'm going to call this style A and this style B. So now if you use style A and you try to get your hard things done first, the benefit of that will be that after you have gotten through this massive one assignment, okay, after you've gotten through that one assignment, you only have very little things left to do. But the downside of that is you're only getting one thing done, when if you went with little things, you would have gotten these done. Okay, so now let's set up the same diagram with B. Alright, so if you do the little things first, and I'm just putting little bars to symbolize their size. So if you do the little things first, you're going to have all three of these knocked out at, say, so if you started your homework at 6, you'd have probably all of these knocked out by about 7:30. Okay? Well, the issue with this would then be you have this gigantic, massive task here that would then keep you up until about 9:30 if it was a big, and these times are completely subjective. I'm just putting them in as an example. All right, that would keep you up until 9:30. Now let's put in times for A. So this big thing, if you started at 6, would probably take you until about 8, because we said 2 hours down here, so take you about until 8. And we said that this would take you an hour and a half, too. So then they would put you at 9:30, theoretically. However, I would prefer to do hard things first, because then these little things require less concentration. Now, that's just me. But it could be different for you. So say if you get home and you're really energized when you get home, get the hard thing out of the way, and that way when you get tired at night, you just have these little things left to do. But if you have an after-school activity, and when you get home, and you're just looking to get stuff done, maybe go with option B, and get the little things done first. You know, because at least then you're crossing things off of your agenda. So it's really up to you, but the way that I look at it is like this. Hard things first. No after school activities. I'm just going to abbreviate. Because that way, you can get this big looming task out of the way and just have these little tasks later. Now, if for option B, little things first, if you do have an after school activity. Alrighty, because then with option B, you've still got 4 things on your agenda, but you're crossing off 1, 2, 3, and you're at least getting things done, and this will require less brain power than this, so it'll give you time to relax and get ready for your big task. Take it down to one big thing. That's how I look at it, but of course it could be different. Now, this is going to be part 1 of a 3-strand video, as I said. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.